Hello and welcome. Today we'll cover all aspects of processing orders by agents and box office staff in ThunderTix. Before we get started, it's important to note that ThunderTix allows you to have unlimited user logins with various levels of access. The user login has a few important functions. For example, every sale processed by a user is tracked to that user, allowing you to easily reconcile cash drawers at the end of a shift or to provide sales commissions. You may also assign permissions on a per-user basis that allows for staff to process cash orders or perform price overrides. Finally, if you rent your venue, you may create users that can only view, edit, or sell tickets to their own event. As an added benefit, those users can access full financial and box office reports that saves you from the task of sending reports. Let's first cover reserved seating. On the events page, notice that the reserved seating events will show the seating chart you'll be using for the events here. Select your event by clicking on the Manage button. If you have multiple performance dates and times, they'll be listed here. Click the Sell button for your desired time. Here, we can see the stage or focal point. Select seats by checking each one desired, or click on the row label to select all seats in that row. Then click Continue. We'll then choose the ticket type for each ticket and click Continue to see the order checkout page. In this example, you can see our automatic invitation to round up the customer's purchase to include a donation. This is an easy and unobtrusive way to improve your fundraising. But before we continue, let's quickly cover how we process orders for general admission events. Going back to our events page, we'll select a general admission event, then click Sell for the chosen date or time. Each ticket type available for your event appears here, along with the ticket type description. Enter the desired number of tickets. Now let's finish the order by clicking Continue, and we will arrive at the checkout page. If the customer would like to purchase more tickets from the other events you offer, all in one order, you can add more tickets to the order by clicking Continue Shopping here at the top. One permission we offer is the ability to override the ticket price. If provided, box office staff can enter a new price here. We record the original price here. If you have multiple tickets grouped together, but don't want to give a discount to all of them, use the Split Tickets for Overrides button to separate them and enter your new price for the desired tickets. If you wish to waive any associated fees, check this box to remove them. If there are coupons or gift certificates to apply, enter them here. Whether your orders are reproduced by price overrides, gift certificates, or coupons, we'll automatically update the tax and total due. At times, you may wish to comp an order. Clicking Comp Order will change all prices to $0. You may wish to add an administrative note to track why discounts were provided. For cash sales, select the Cash option. We'll display a cash drawer here, should you wish to optionally enter the amount received to quickly determine the change due. This is not a required field. Additionally, enter a number lower than the total cost to begin a partial payment order. This removes the seats from inventory while giving you the ability to collect the remaining balance due at a later time. Alternatively, you can process accepted credit cards. Check with your gateway to learn which credit cards are accepted, then update those in your account's checkout settings. First, credit card numbers can be manually keyed in here. Process the payment by entering the credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. In the menu, under the Hardware tab, we offer USB-connected credit card readers. These expedite order processing. With a credit card reader, simply place your cursor in the credit card field and swipe the card. We'll enter the customer's first and last name, the card details, and submit the order automatically. Make sure you record details such as an email address or street address before swiping if you want to record that additional information to your customer database for future marketing purposes. Stripe's Bluetooth terminal provides secure contactless credit card payment support, traditional swipe or insert payments, and even Apple Pay or Google Pay. Additionally, if you accept checks or vouchers, you may do so here by selecting the type and entering in the appropriate identifier. A final checkout option is the Reserve button. This option saves the tickets under the customer's name so that the patron can pick up and pay for the tickets at a later date. Once reserved, you'll be able to see the tickets in your guest list, where you can choose to either collect total or partial payments for the tickets or cancel the reservation altogether. At the conclusion of the order, we'll show several options. We'll display links to print either PDFs from regular printers, from connected thermal ticket printers, or label or receipt printers. We support many thermal printers, from the tiny footprint of portable Dymo or Zebra printers to traditional Boca printers. You can either print tickets on the fly or in time-saving bulk printing. Further, we'll even include an address label for insertion into windowed ticket envelopes for greater time savings. You can quickly create a new order for the next customer by clicking Repeat this order, or click on the order ID to view the order details. We have a separate video covering all of the order features, so be sure to check that video out too. Alright, that's it for now. If you have any questions, we have lots of documentation in our support forum, or you can open a support request. Thank you for watching.